What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day and hope you all had an awesome weekend. So starting our analysis with net gas, gold, silver, crude oil. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. We are still bullish long term, looking at a weekly bullish engulfing pattern and still above the support and bullish cross. So that is why on long term we are still bullish, but on a short term we can still look for the bearish pullback. Close is important. With a solid body, we are looking at the level above, which is right here, 2.731, that goes up to 2.802, from where we can see a possible pullback, then a continuation towards the upper level. So keep an eye right here. So either a pullback with a condition, buy here, sell here, look for the bearish double top pattern. If we have that, I'm gonna go short. Or if the price just falls, look for bullish engulfers or double bottom from these areas. Simply, we are still in an uptrend, long term. Perfect. So as you can see, I've been repeating that we are bullish long term in every single video. And follow me from last couple of months. We've been bullish from all the way from here, but these are the areas from where we need to capture these pullbacks. Now on a smaller time frame, these are the big and major pullbacks. It is a pullback. Now if we go back on 4 hours, that was a successful trade we took in the priority group right here. Both target has been hit. Now the goal is to capture these moves in an uptrend. Once the price gave us these type of pullback, it does two things. Number one, it start to change its trend from upwards to downwards, or it breaks above the high and start to continue to push up in an uptrend, which I call a trend continuation. Now we have signals for that to see if the price is going to reverse or going to continue to push higher. So starting with Ovanda. Now, as you can see, the price opened above in gap. Let me remove this mess. I'm still looking at my rejection zone for the possible double top pattern. And I'm also looking at the area below, which is right here. In case you are brand new on this channel, is 2.731 goes to 2.805 for the possible buy trade. So in an uptrend, either the price is going to push up, bounce from the support zone, or it's going to form a kind of double top pattern or break above this high for the trend continuation. Now, to see a rejection, if the price is going to push down from here, we want to see a clear bearish engulfing pattern within this rejection box. Let me make it prominent so that we know how it looks like right here. So remove the Fibonacci levels as well. Looks clear now. So for the price to form double top, it must form a bearish engulfing pattern within this rejection box, or inverted hammer within this rejection box. If we have that, we'll have a sell signal and we can have a likely pullback. Now that doesn't mean we're going to reverse. We need to capture a pullback exactly like we captured here with the recent trade. So exactly the same. Once we have that, we're going to keep a stop loss above and take profit. We can go 1-to-1 or 1.4-to-1, is totally up to you. Now if that turns out to be a bullish engulfer, that won't be my buy signal. I will not take it as an entry. Yes, if this bullish engulfer would have formed right here, I would have taken it as an entry. That is a valid bullish engulfer, but I won't be looking for an entry looking at this candle. I want to see this candle to form after we have broken above these highs with a pullback. So for now, I'm looking at either a double top pattern or a break above these high if you want to enter the buy trade. Now, if you have a dramatic fall from here, I'll still look for 50 EMA for the possible entry confirmation to take my buy trade. So keep an eye on this rejection box for now. Now let me give you a heads up here as well. We still have a chance the price break above this high. Looking at the fact we have a good bullish momentum, some fundamentals, we have a chance that price can still break above. If that happens, if the price and candle close above these highs, then it means price is gonna push higher and we're gonna start to look for the reversal trend continuation trade, and then I will looking at the major level above right somewhere, but which I'm gonna mention in my upcoming video. So for now, keep an eye, don't be panicked and don't trade with a FOMO. wait for the valid condition to happen. Now here on camel.com, now like I said, that's going to be very weak entry. Again, with this pullback, I wanted to see a nice bullish engulfer here, but that's going to be very weak bullish signal. That is why I'll still look for my possible double top. Here we have a chance the price can form this pattern, and then we can see another push down. So I'm still looking at the level below for the possible buy trades, which is right here. 3.0313 goes to 3.1195, an area from where I want to see a bullish engulfer with double bottom entry confirmation. So buy trade will happen from here, or once we have broken above this high. If we have a strong push up now, we have a likely chance that we can see a push up. So that is why if there is no condition and no confirmation, I won't be taking any sell trades. So sell trades will only happen with a bearish condition within this rejection box and within this zone, which I've already mentioned. In case you want to mark these zones here, the numbers are in blue. So keep an eye, sell from here with condition and buy above 50 EMA or break above this high or this green area. On EMX, rejection zone looks something like this, as you can see the numbers in blue. Resistance zone look something like this, as you can see these numbers in blue. So that is what I'll be looking at. Exact same condition, break above these high will be a signal for the buy confirmation, and double top is something I'm still looking at from a possible sell trade. So keep an eye how we have a condition. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Next up, we have gold, as nicely fallen down from the level of resistance as expected. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. We are now in the level of technical resistance, which is 2704.82 goes up to 2718.63, from where we can see a possible retracement. Very important to look for your bearish signals. Now, if you want to go back on 1 hour, scroll up, what do you see here? A bearish engulfer. As looking at the fact we are still in the minor zone, I'm still looking for either a bearish engulfer within this zone or a double top within the zone. If you're looking at double top, you can see that on 1 hour as well. Within this area, go for the scalp according to the ATR, exit this trade. Perfect. So if you know that, I take my trades on 4 hour if I'm placing these zones on a daily time frame. Now, those zones I call a major zones. These zones marked in yellow is a minor zone, completely mentioned in my last video. So from a minor zone, I can also go down on 1 hour time frame. What do you see here? A nice bearish entry confirmation, a nice condition, and how much we had a push down, a waterfall right here, a big move out of that. Now, if you followed my condition, you have made some good amount of money right here, nicely pushed down. So for now, what are we looking at? We are looking at a bearish continuation. Now it is very important for you to see a close. Once you see a close of this candle, I want to see some more momentum, then a pullback, a bearish engulfing pattern. So that is all I want to see from gold. Nothing else, only sell trade, but a close is very important. Close below 50 EMA and one more red candle below 50 EMA with a pullback, bearish engulfer. That is all we are looking at. So bearish trade for gold. We still have a chance that gold can push back up, leaving the wick. In that case, we will be still intact with an uptrend. But if we have closed below 50 EMA with a momentum, then the price will likely to push down. I'm going to mark my new support zone in my upcoming videos, which I'm going to update you guys as well. What a move we have got here from silver. As you can see, a nice and clear double top I've been mentioning from last couple of videos. So let me show you the clip from a last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Silver is now about to hit a level of double top pattern, which is 31.38, goes up to 31.53. If the price hit the zone, forms a bearish engulfer, inverted hammers, in that case, we have a sell signal. So keep an eye. If that happens, I'm going to go short, keeping a stop loss above. Take profit can be 1 to 1. Awesome. So you see how nicely it pushes down. Now, if you have taken this trade, you have made some good money. So gold and silver has nicely pushed the price lower. So for me, all I will be looking at a bearish pullback trade, looking at the fact price broke below the previous lows. I want to see a pullback, break below, bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots. So I'll be looking at my level below for the possible double bottoms, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. Once the price pushes down, I want to see some sort of bullish condition, like bullish engulfer or hammer candle or a 382 candle. If you don't know what candlestick patterns are, then the videos are in my playlist. Feel free to check them out. So all I'll be looking at a bullish trade from this rejection box right here, and a bearish trade with a pullback and bearish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye on these zones and a pullback entry if we have a condition. So I'm expecting a price to push down further to this areas. Remember, conditions are very important. Without condition, we are just gambling. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil is pushing down, and as you can see, we are still above 50 EMA. So all I want to see a nice red and a green bullish engulfing pattern. If we have that, we are good to go long till the zone above. Right here on capital.com, 71.81 goes up to 74.200. From where we can start to look for the bearish engulfer or double top entry confirmation. So keep an eye. A weak zone, going to be risky entry, but it is an area from where I want to see a possible push down. For now, buy trades only as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. In case you're looking at Owanda, exactly same condition. Right here, the numbers in blue, 72.24 goes to 73.35, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. On NEMEX as well, the zone looks something like this, as you can see the numbers in blue. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.